Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you on how to grow onions at home from seed. Today, we'll take you through the step-by-step process to successfully cultivate onions in your own garden. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need onion seeds, high-quality potting soil, gardening pots, a watering can, and a sunny spot in your garden or a sunny windowsill. Step 2. Planting. Fill your gardening pots with potting soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Plant the onion seeds about half an inch deep, spacing them evenly apart. Step 3. Watering and care. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Onions need regular watering, especially during dry spells. Step 4. Fertilizing. Once the seedlings have established themselves, apply a balanced fertilizer according to the package instructions to promote healthy growth. Step 5. Thinning. As the onion plants grow, thin them out to ensure proper spacing. This allows each onion to develop fully. Step 6. Harvesting. When the onion tops turn yellow and start to flop over, it's time to harvest. Gently lift the onions from the soil and let them dry in a warm, airy place. Congratulations! You've successfully grown onions at home from seed. Enjoy the fruits of your labor in your favorite culinary dishes.